George Zimmerman is expected in court this morning as the judge is set to make some pretty big decisions.
One big issue on the forefront is the start date for this trial. Right now, the date is set for June 10th. The defense wants it delayed for another 6 weeks. The judge would also rule if Trayvon Martin's personal records would be allowed in the trial and if the defense will be allowed to sequester 500 jurors. Melissa Mahadeo is joining us live. She's outside the Seminole County Courthouse. That is where this trial will take place. With the latest, good morning, Melissa.
Good morning. You're touching on a lot of issues. There are a lot of motions on the table this morning. Now, the hearing is going to begin at 9 a.m. And as you were mentioning, a lot of issues to be addressed. Not sure if they will all be addressed today. Major talking about, though, is that 911 call that was made the night Zimmerman shot Trayvon Martin. Now, in that call, you can actually hear shots in the background. Prosecutors say that is actually Trayvon Martin calling for help. Currently, the state audio expert is expected to testify on the prosecution's defense, on the prosecution's side, saying that it is Martin screaming for help in the background. But the defense says that's actually Zimmerman. They want to hide audio expert to actually figure out who is actually on that call once and for all, guys. Of course, you mentioned they're asking for this trial to be pushed back for 6 weeks. Now, other motions up for ruling are what the jury will and will not be allowed to see. Prosecutors are trying to stop photos and text messages from Trayvon Martin's phone from being released into evidence. Now, some of these texts and photos are of fighting, guns, and drugs. As you may remember, the public has already seen a photo of Martin with gold teeth on. That actually began circulating last week. Now, the defense is also asking to allow jurors to visit the spot where was killed last February in that middle-class family area. Now, guys, finally, as you mentioned, Amy, the defense is asking to have all of the potential jurors sequestered, meaning isolated so they can't see the news, they can't really be involved in the media. Now, we're talking about all potential jurors. That's about 500 people that they are asking be sequestered from the news, guys. So it's a lot of people. We're waiting to see what issues will be addressed today. We will, of course, keep you updated on this trial. As of right now, it's expected to happen June 10th. Guys, back to you.
All right, thanks a lot, Melissa. It is 6:05. By the way, you can get updates on the case at ZimmermanTrialOnFox.com. You can also receive updates on your cell phone. Just text the word Zimmerman to Fox4U. Of course, that's 36948. Of course, the standard message and data rates may apply.